Big body beamer member, I used to be dusty. Big body beamer member, I used to be dusty. Big body be. God damn it, that's hard to say. It's Big Swaggy back again with another motherfucking video with this bitch. And today we are installing the cheapest mod we're gonna be doing on this car. So, in 2 seconds, I'll be showing you exactly what that is and how you too can transform your X5M aesthetically for $40. That's the price of coochie. Alright. So, this should work. Now we just gotta see how to take this thing off. Oh yeah, the hood release, bonnet release, pause, this little thingy down here. And then, I guess you pop forward these little things here. And then it should just go out. So give me a second and I'll get these things off. Okay, so around the bezel hole thingy, it is kind of dirty, so you just gotta wipe it off. So boom, nice and clean. And then we put the kidney grill on. Which doesn't completely fit because the tabs are broken, so it pops out. So I gotta find a way to put some zip ties to hold this thing up. So let's figure that out. And then yeah, but the gapping is good though. But you know, and I'm also not sure how I like the double slats, but I guess it's fine for now. And like I'd presume of $40 coochie, it's probably not worth it. So they look okay. They fit okay, but they just don't lock in properly. So I had to use some zip ties and stuff. I don't want to pull that too hard because it'll pop off. This one is kind of loose, but overall, you get what you pay for. You want $40 coochie, you're gonna get $40 coochie quality. So yeah, I mean, what can I say? Could be worse. Let's, I'm out kicking stuff over. But yeah, let me get this light closer. It definitely does look meaner with the double slat grill. Looks a bit more modern. Again, not sure if I'm a fan, but yeah. I'm probably going to end up getting the single slat ones. I didn't even notice that these ones on the car were not double slat. So, yeah. Or double louvered. But I mean, it looks cool. So, I guess it'll just grow on me.